In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose an affiliate product on Clickbank. Next, I'm going to show you how to download a pre-built landing page. Then, I'm going to give you a free ebook lead magnet that you can use and place your own affiliate link inside of it. So first off, we want to go to a website called clickbank.com, clickbank.com. And then what you want to do is you want to either sign up or log into your account. Once inside your Clickbank account, you want to go all the way to the top on the menu, click it, and go down to Affiliate Marketplace. And then we're going to go to the very top to the search box and type in social anxiety. Now you can choose any one of these on the page, preferably ones that have sales already. Just for example, we're going to choose this one right here, the Dissolve Social Anxiety Program. I'm going to click Promote, and you want to make sure your account name is placed inside here. And how you do that is go back to your dashboard, go down to Accounts, and it'll be placed right here. So I'm going to copy this number, go back to Marketplace, click Promote again, paste that number inside, and click Generate Hop Link. Now you're going to want to copy this hop link because Clickbank doesn't save it. So you're going to want to make a note of it. So click Copy. And what I would do is paste it inside of a Word document. Okay, right here. Make sure we save that for later. So under the video you're watching, the video titled Choosing a Clickbank Product, you're going to head down to the description and click Show More. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. And you're just going to want to follow the links in order. So first of all, you need to sign up for a free System.io account. And what System.io is a digital marketing platform that allows you to create landing pages. And we're going to need a landing page for our ebook. So go ahead and click this. Okay, it's going to take you to the System.io dashboard, the homepage. And you want to click the Get Started for Free. You're going to enter your email address and your name, and then confirm by email once they send you the email. Next, you want to keep that System.io page open, the one you just signed up to, and you want to import the landing page that I created for you. Go ahead and click this. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page right here. And you're going to go to the top and click Funnels. As you can see, the social anxiety landing page is included inside of your dashboard. And we can go ahead and take a look at this, how it looks. Go ahead and click the I button to view. And here it is. We got our 3D image of our ebook, which I'll show you how to download later. Next, what we're going to do is go to Step 3, and we need to download the editable ebook template from Canva. So we can click here. And it'll take you to this page where it says to click the button below to download the ebook. Go ahead and click the button, and it'll ask you if you want to share the template. Click Use Template. And now you're going to need to sign up to a free account on Canva. And you can sign up with Google, with Facebook, or use your own email address. And inside your dashboard, you should see this ebook, and it should be already downloaded for you. You can go through all the pages to check it out. What we want to do is we want to change out all the affiliate links to your own affiliate link that you got from Clickbank. So let's go to the very top and go back to our notepad with our affiliate link pasted. Let's go down. I'm going to copy this hop link from Clickbank that we saved earlier. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go down and scroll all the way down. And we're looking for a paragraph, a call to action. Right here, it starts on page 7. And where it says need extra help, click here to complete an extensive Dissolve Social Anxiety program. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, going down this bar and just zoom in. Double click. Okay, I'm going to highlight this. You don't need to highlight the affiliate link. It just lets the reader know that this is an affiliate link. And here at the very top on this More icon, click the link icon. Paste that link inside there and click Enter. And we're going to change the color of this to a color that stands out more. So go to the very top under text color, and we're going to choose this red, and we're going to scroll down and find the next one. It's right here. We can click this and highlight. Go to the very top and click the link and paste and enter. I'm going to change this to the red color. All right, let's keep scrolling. Okay, and it's right here. I'm going to click this all to the very top, link, paste, and enter, and then change this to that red color. There we go. And that's all you have to do. I'm going to scroll all the way to the very top, and we're going to click Save. It does autosave, but I like to make sure that it's saved. I'm going to click the Download button. And we're going to change this to PDF standard, because we're not going to print this out. We're going to just have it as a digital file. So PDF standard. And we're going to make sure it's set to all pages, 18 pages. And then we're going to click Download. Okay, we're going to choose where we want to save it and click Save. Now we go back to our System.io account. and hover over the social anxiety landing page. We're going to click this and then go over to the edit icon. And this part's a little different because we don't have the pro account. This is a free account. We're going to have to add that PDF file to our account, but we're not able to upload directly. So what we're going to do is below this button, we're going to place a just placeholder text. So click over to the side and click text underneath this button. And then we're going to hover over the text box and go over to the gear icon. The box will turn blue, and then we can click the link button. And then we're going to go over to the area right here where it says link to file and click it. And then we're going to upload that PDF we just copied and downloaded from Canva. So select file, choose a file, and it'll start uploading. Make sure it's clicked and click insert. Then what we want to do is we're going to copy this URL. So click and then copy. Okay, now we can delete this box. So we can trash and then trash the row. Okay, now we're going to click on our button. And over on the side, we want to check this to open URL. Underneath the open a new window, we want to click open a new window. And then we want to paste that link that we copied. Okay, everything else is fine. We'll go to the very top and click saved. And we'll go to the eye icon to preview. As you can see, this is our preview mode. And we want to make sure we don't use this URL. As you can see though, when we click the link. Okay, and after you click that button and it opens up, you can scroll all the way down, and I believe it was page 7 was our first link. Here we go. And it shows up. And when we click this, it takes us to the home page of the Dissolve Social Anxiety affiliate link for Clickbank. And when the customer goes down, they can click the Buy Now button, add to cart. And every time someone buys, you'll get a commission off that. Now what we want to do is we're going to go back, and we're going to save changes. And head back. And we'll go over here to copy the link. This is the actual link. I'm going to paste that and go to the actual website. And here it is. And we have our landing page. And when we click the button, it takes us to the free ebook that they can download. Inside that free ebook, there's our affiliate link from Clickbank. One more thing I wanted to say is if you're having trouble with your affiliate link being copied inside and staying inside the ebook, so say right here, if we zoom in real quick, sometimes when you add the link in and save it and download it, it won't be there. So another way to do it is you can click, highlight that, go over, and this link right here, when you paste it in, don't click enter, just click off. So when you paste your link in, just click off instead of hitting enter. That might work for you. And then you can save it and then download. So that's how you find a product on Clickbank and how you download the free landing page that I created for you. And also how you customize and download the free ebook that I created for you as well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you gained some knowledge from it. And I'll see you in the next one.